Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the charging options available for Tesla cars. There are three main categories for charging your Tesla: home charging, destination charging, and supercharging. First, home charging. This is the most common and convenient option. You have a few ways to charge at home. Standard outlet, using the mobile connector with a regular 120-volt household outlet, often called level 1 charging. This is the slowest option, adding only a few miles of range per hour, best for minimal daily driving. Higher power outlet, you can use the mobile connector with a 240-volt outlet, like those used for a dryer or RV, if you install the correct adapter. This is significantly faster, giving you more range per hour. Wall connector, this is the fastest home charging option. It's a unit permanently installed on your wall and connected to a high-power 240-volt circuit. It provides the quickest charge overnight, fully topping up your battery. Second, destination charging. These are Tesla wall connectors installed at hotels, restaurants, shopping centers, and other public locations. They offer the same charging speed as a home wall connector and are great for topping up while you're parked for several hours. Third, supercharging. This is Tesla's own network of ultra-fast DC charging stations, designed for long-distance travel. Superchargers are located conveniently along major routes. They are the fastest charging option, able to add hundreds of miles of range in under an hour, depending on the station version and your car's battery state. You simply plug in, and the charging session is billed automatically to your Tesla account. Finally, you can also use third-party public charging networks. Tesla vehicles come with a J1772 adapter, which allows you to plug into most public Level 2 chargers. For fast DC charging at non-Tesla stations, most newer Teslas also support the CCS standard with an adapter. In summary, for convenience, charge at home with a wall connector. For road trips, rely on the fast supercharger network. For all-day stops, look for destination chargers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.